If you are a makeup girl who's ready to glow effortlessly, grab your brush and let's do this. Okay, so I'll be sharing with you guys 3 makeup tips that changed everything for me. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, I am Pamela. I always say stay subscribed to my channel, we'll have a good time. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much. So without further ado, let's just dive straight into the video. The first tip is allow your concealer sit for a while. I know you've heard it, right? But I didn't believe it until I tried it myself. Because what I normally do is that I will just place the concealer and blend immediately. Little did I know that I was just blending out half of the coverage. But once I decided to do this thing, like I have to apply it and allow it to sit for a while, like 30 seconds before I blend it out. Like the coverage is insane. When I mean the coverage is insane, like this particular tip helped me for my under eye. So this is how my face is after I'm done blending the concealer. Can you see? Next tip will be apply your blush before your foundation. Hold up. I know it sounds illegal, right? But trust me, I saw someone do this on TikTok and I'm like, she's up to something. So I decided to try this thing. And guys, the finishing, like it brings this natural, soft, glowy, I don't know how to put it, underneath the skin. I'm going to be trying it now. You guys will see. So you blend upwards. You try this. I swear you tell me thank you. You thank me. You try this tip I gave you guys. You come back and say thank you in the comment section. For your foundation, this is how you are going to apply your foundation, right? Just apply your foundation here. And you just blend. So I'm going to do that right away. I'm using foundation, Avoir. Right. I learned that many of you don't know how to find the right shade of foundation for you, for your skin type or whatever. I'll tell you guys how to do that. I'll do a video on that. So this is how we are doing it now. Can you guys see? So you are you seeing that flawless? Can you see something? Like you blend properly. I don't know if you guys are seeing what's happening. Can you guys see the glow? Can you see the difference? So this is how you blend it. Then you blend upwards. Hey guys. So the next thing we are doing is we are going to set our under eye. See what I'm doing. After setting, move straight to do our eyebrows. This particular makeup routine, this one I'm doing, like it's so simple. It's so simple. Doesn't take time. Doesn't take time at all. Very simple to do. And to still look stunning and beautiful. The next thing we are going to do is I'm using this powder palette to just do my nose contour. And that's all for my nose contour. For our brows, we're not doing anything too much. Just take your this hair wax now. I have brow trimmer, fine and good. Just brush out your eyebrows, the both of them. So for eyeshadow, I'm done with my brows. I'm done concealing the brows. I don't even use pencil to do anything. I just brushed it out with the hair wax and I'm fine. I just did the concealing. So for my eyeshadow, I'll just be using powder palette for this, just a circular motion, because we don't even want any paparazzi. The last and my favorite one is my favorite tip is applying my lipstick before lining it. Yes. I normally do the traditional one, which is line your lips before you put your lipstick. But since I discovered this one, guys, I don't know, it gives this soft blended look. Like it makes your lips fuller without looking too much. I don't know how to explain it, but when I do it, you guys will see. Like I just believe that small changes make big difference. That's the honest truth. So I'll apply my lipstick now and blend. So right now it's looking like too dark or something. I don't know. So I'll top it up with this thing, this one. Sorry, I don't even see where this lip gloss is from. So this lip gloss is from Zikel Cosmetics. So this is how it's looking. I'm done with applying the lipstick, so I'm going to line now with my lip pencil. I'm going to spray my entire face right now to allow it to dry. So this is the final look, guys. So we're going to go over the makeup tips again, the three of them. First one is allow your concealer to sit for 30 seconds before you blend out. Secondly is apply your blush before foundation, guys. And the third one is apply your lipstick before you line your lips. These simple things made my makeup look way better. I wish I knew them earlier. Let me know in the comment section what's that one makeup routine that changed everything for you. I love hearing what works for you too, right? So if this video helped you, don't forget to give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more beauty and makeup tips like this. Okay? So always turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.